this Pythagoras question, right? Take a little look here. Now, f is an angle in a right angle triangle such that cos f is equal to 6 over 11. I actually did this question in my own exam. A nasty one. But you must think. In trigonometry, I often say to draw out the triangles, okay? You draw out the triangles, and that will get your brain motoring, and you will get marks for just drawing out the triangle. So watch this fella here. Okay, let's go. F is an angle in a right angle triangle. So we need to draw a triangle, a right angle triangle, and we call it F, if you want, such that cos F. Now, what's cos equal to, guys, in SOHCAHTOA? Cos is equal to, I draw it SOHCAHTOA if I had to, SOHCAHTOA. We're going to pull on the C there. Look down. We're going to pull on the C there. What's cos equal to? Cos is equal to A over H adjacent over hypotenuse. You're going to get marks for that. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse being the long side. So the opposite is here. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent on the bottom always. And this is the hypotenuse on the long side always. Okay. Now, with a different color pen, cos F is equal to 6 over 11. So that's like saying, right, watch here, cos F is equal to 6 over 11. And what I do here is, I'd say, we know that cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse on the bottom. And so then you just fill in from here. The adjacent is 6 and the hypotenuse is 11. Happy days. Now find the value of sine F. Okay, happy days. We're just looking for, so now our triangle looks like this. Now our triangle looks like this. You have your F here. And we've just filled in that this was 11 and 6 in the bottom because we did that for cos. Now we're looking for sine. And what's sine equal to? Opposite over hypotenuse. You learned that in your SOHCAHTOA. So how would we do this now? You're looking for this, essentially looking for the opposite because we don't know the opposite. We can call this x. What would you do now? Think. What would you do now? You're looking for a side. You have two sides. You're looking for one. You have two sides. You're looking for one. Think of Pythagoras. Yes, well done. I can hear all the audience saying well done onto my no one onto my YouTube. Here we go. Hypotenuse is here. So that's 11 squared is equal to him squared, x squared plus him squared, 6 squared. Nearly there. What's 11 squared? Anyone? 1, 2, 2. Isn't that right? Is equal to x squared plus 36. God, I'm actually doubting myself from my own ability to figure out 11 squared. Oh my God, lads, you'll beat me up. Calculator. That is as bad as it gets, really, isn't it? Look at this. Let's go. 11 by 11. 1, 2, 1. I take it back. Sack me. 1, 2, 1. Sorry, my sincere apologies. 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 1 is equal to x squared plus 36. You're going to bring that 36 over, aren't you? Bring it over to the other side. Get rid of it. And bring it over to the other side. Sorry, here we go. I have to refresh here. Bring it over to the other side. Okay. So bring it over to the other side here. And we're going to pull. So here we go. We're going to bring it over to the side. So 36 over, and that's going to give me 21 minus 36 is equal to x squared, and my fantastic maths, minus 36, 85, and that'll do fine. 85 is equal to x squared, and then just finish it off. X is equal to the square root of 85, and that's fine. Leave your answer in square root form. That's okay. And then you finish off your question because you now know the angle. This is the triangle now. Look, you have 11, you have 6, and you have root 85. So what's sine of f? It's going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So sine f is equal to root 85 all over 11. Done. That's your answer. That is a lovely little question that involves some SOHCAHTOA and some Pythagoras.